Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are group 13. We are project about Aksara library admin. Before we explain about our project, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Farika Trinanda Munata, and
my name is Gayatri Apsarini Hisanah.
This is about our project. We have table of content. This is first system analysis. System analysis brief the description of our admin library project and type of testing tools that we use. And then testing implementation, the type of testing that has been set up. And then we are explain the result for the type of our testing. System analysis. Aksara is a library management by an admin where the system is borrowing books, registering visitors, and reading books through the script web or admin library. In addition to the book borrowing system, register visitors and reading literacy books can also register new admins, record books that are borrowed, returned until the deadline for borrowing. This is type of the tools we have used. There is have three. The first JUnit. JUnit is a unit testing framework for the Java programming language. It is important in test-driven development and is one of the family of unit testing framework known as XUnit. And the second is Gmeter. The Apache Gmeter application is open source software, 100% pure Java application designed to load, test functional behavior, and measure performance. It was originally designed for testing web application, but has since expanded to other test functions. And the third is Jacoco. Jacoco is the result that explains how far our code has been tested in white box testing. This includes all lines, including lines that are not used in the code. Jacoco gives us an idea of how far our entire code has been tested on white box testing. The higher the code coverage value, the better because our lines of code have been skipped on various tests. Next. This is our testing. We have the test carried out on the script website. Include book test, borrow test, learning Spring Boot test, member test, library application test, user integration test, and the MVC register just website, which is very much needed for web admin libraries in general. Next.
Okay. This is the test implementation. The first is book test. We can see that in here, we test. We can see in here, we try to test create book with empty name. We can see in here we try to test create book with empty author. So in here we empty the author name, and if the test is success, then please fill out this field for the test. And the second is member test. In here we try to create member with empty name, the same like book test. In here we empty the name for testing, and if the result will be please fill out this file. And there are borrow tests. In here, we try create borrow with empty date borrow. So if there are the date borrow is empty, there are please fill out this field. And the last is user test. We try to create user test with empty name. The name is empty, and the result will be name cannot be null, or the name cannot be empty. This is the result of the test. This is the book test, borrow test, member test, and user test. And this is the result for web MPP register. This is the result of our project in Jacoco. The first is in controllers. You can see the result of the test in here of borrow controller, login controller, member controller, book controller, logout controller, and register controller. And the second is in Jacob in models, in our project models, in borrow, status, book, member, and user. And this is the result in perpustakaan, in out middleware and perpustakaan application. And this is the result in service, in user service, book service, borrow service, member service, and status service. This is the JMeter. In the live, you can see with test halaman register, halaman member, halaman book, halaman borrow, and halaman user. And this is the result of the test. You can see this is the result of register, member, book, borrow, user. Okay. That's all from our project. Thank you very much, and we are sorry if there are faults in our project, if there are mistakes in our talk or speak. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.